Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Ring stick-up cam with Ring app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Ring stick-up cam is fully charged and connected to power if necessary. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Ring app on your smartphone. Tap on Create an account if you're a new user. If you already have an account, simply log in. After logging in, tap on the Set up a device option. Select cameras from the list of device types. Choose stick-up cam from the list of available cameras. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to prepare your camera for setup. Ensure your camera is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi network. When prompted, press the Setup button on your Ring stick-up cam. The camera will announce that it is in setup mode. Return to the app and tap Continue. The app will now search for your Ring stick-up cam. Once detected, tap on your camera to proceed. Next, you'll need to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list displayed. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Tap Connect to establish the connection. Wait a moment while the camera connects to your network. Once connected, your camera will confirm the successful setup. You may now customize your camera settings according to your preferences. Adjust motion sensitivity, notifications, and more in the app. Test the camera's live view to ensure it's working correctly. Position your camera in your desired location, ensuring a clear view. Use the included mounting hardware if necessary. Finally, secure the camera in place and make any final adjustments. Your Ring stick-up cam is now authorized and ready to use with the Ring app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.